Morning everyone. Welcome to the online teaching for 9th class. Today I am going to explain the first lesson of your reader, that is namely Beehive, and the first lesson's name is The Fun They Had. So 9th class students, first of all I would like to explain you to clear up the things which are very necessary for you to understand, because you have read up to 8th class now. The pattern of English is totally different. Now in 9th class you will study about a totally new pattern of English literature as well as grammar. So grammar you have read from third class onwards, third standard onwards. So it is not a very new thing, but in detail we will study. And here in reader part we will focus more upon the reading section as well as writing section, or maybe the other things which are very important for us to understand. And you have to summarize the lessons, so you have to while explanation you have to be very careful regarding its each and every character, its each and every incidents. If you will not pick up the incident, if you will not understand the character properly, then you cannot be able to summarize the story. And most of the questions, they come indirect. They are asked, although they are related to the text, but they are asked indirectly. So you don't rest assured that whatever the questions are given in exercise, you will attempt those questions only and you will get passed in the exams. So it is very important for you to summarize the entire lesson once at home after my explanation. So here in English we will get in English paper we will get 4 sections, or maybe sometime it happens that 3 sections. How are these? First of all, reading is all about paragraph reading. Unseen paragraphs will be given to you and you have to read them carefully, and then you have to answer the questions given below. And the second section is of writing plus grammar. Sometimes writing and grammar is given together, so it is a club section of writing part as well as grammar part. And the third section is of literature. In literature the questions are asked, questions which are given in your reader book, those questions will be asked. So extract best questions and the question answers, or maybe they are asked indirectly. Suppose they are not given directly in your text, after the story ends they are not given directly, but related to the text material they will ask you. Understood? So this is how the question will come in your examinations. And the other thing which is you have to consider as very seriously, that is the writing part. In writing part you have to come to know about the formal letter, informal letter, diary writing, and maybe notice writing, so story writing. All these things you have to understand very carefully, and you have to write in all these things in a correct format. If the format is correct, then half of the marks you will get, and half of the marks you will get for the material. Understood now? So we will start. And as you know that The Fun They Had is your first lesson in Beehive. So the fun they had, it means that the story goes in future, in how the schools will be in our future. It has been described in this story. So the story belongs to the year 2157. Okay, we are living, as these students are living in the year 2157, and what experiences they are facing together, it has been described in this story. And this story is written by Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov is supposed to be a Russian writer, but later on he shifted to America, and basically he lived there and he wrote the stories for American students and children also. And so Isaac Asimov, an American writer and professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was supposed to be the biochemistry professor in Boston University. So very learned person, and he experienced a lot of things in his life which he has wrote in his books, which he has written in his books. So the founder of robot ethics and one of the world's most prolific authors of fiction. Prolific writer who wrote or edited more than 500 books and estimated 90,000 letters and postcards. So his specialty is that he has edited more than 500 books and he has written more than 90,000 letters and postcards based on future technology, and he is supposed to be a fiction writer. So this story, which is known as The Fun They Had, is a science fiction, and uh, it it tells the story of two young children. These two young children, they are brother and sister, and namely Tommy and Margie, who live in the year 2157, which I have described earlier, where children get an education through computer at their home. Children do not need to go to the school building, they have to study at their home by the help of their mechanical teacher. It has been described in this story. Okay, what would be the scenario in 2157? We will see this in this through this story. One day they come across a printed book and learn something about this school that existed hundreds of years ago. So one day they got a book, and this was something new for them because they have never seen such kind of book which was printed and it has still words. They were not moving. So they both were surprised and started arguing about it. So it is a matter of great surprise for them because they are living in the age of moving e-texts. So now, in which age they were living, it was totally an e-text age in which they have to study on the computer, and the words are moving from upwards towards to the downwards. It is the year 2157. Margie makes a diary entry which reveals that Tommy has come across a book printed on paper. The pages of the books have turned yellow and wrinkled, which proves it exists centuries ago. When they saw the condition of the book, it was quite very old and miserable condition of the book. They observed the book's pages were very crinkly and yellow, and they were looking very old. So they thought that it proves, the book itself proves that it exists before centuries ago. The book is peculiar in the sense that it had still words not moving. They were very surprised that the books, the word of the book were still. They were not moving as on computer screen. Margie is of the same opinion, but she is a bit curious to know what the book is about. Margie was also, because they both have the same opinion about the book. The book is quite uninteresting, and maybe it is not useful, because when once the book is read, then it is wasted. So we cannot use it again. But it is not so in the matter of computer. We can just erase the data or unwanted things, and we can feed new more. So they thought that the book is useless. They both have the same opinion. But later on, when they came to know about the matter which was described in the book, it was very interesting for them. What was that thing? The book was all about school's life, and how the children get education in the school in early times. How did they get education? Margie is of the same opinion, but she is a bit curious to know what the book is about. Tommy tells her that it is about school. She hated school, but now she hated it more than ever because her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. So Margie was not very much interested to study in this school, because why? What was the reason? Because every day Margie has to give a test of geography. In geography, she could not score properly. So that is why she hated the school very much. Her mother sends for the county inspector. Okay, who was the county inspector? The mechanic of the device. So mechanical teacher means the computer teacher, and the county inspector means a person who repairs the mechanical teacher, or maybe the computer device on which children used to study in 2157. So when Margie's mother found that she was scoring low and low in geography test, then she called the county inspector. He visited to their house, and he put out the computer system, which was just which had to repair. Uh, then, after an hour, he came back along with the correction or with the repairing of the system, and he told that the systems, it was not Margie's mistake. Margie is doing well. Margie was doing well, but the mistake was in the computer mechanical teacher because it was very fast. It was not according to the age of the child, who was just 11 years old, because Margie, I forgot to tell you the age of Margie. Margie was 11 years old and Tommy was 13 years old. So the county inspector, he revealed this fact to Margie's mother, that that is not a mistake of your child. She is doing well in geography, but the speed of the computer teacher is very fast. So I have set it as per the age of your child. Now she will do well. Now she will get good marks. He tells, okay, it is over. Now Margie comes to know about the human teacher in past existed schools. When Margie and Tommy started reading about that book which they got from or the old book which they have got. So now they started reading about the matter which was described in the story in the book. So they came to know about the previous or maybe the past existed schools. So it was a very interesting topic for them. So now Margie comes to know about the human teacher in past existed schools. Tommy also tells her many interesting features of past school. The students had a human teacher who taught them and gave homework and also asked questions and checked their work. So how interesting it was that there was a human teacher in the schools. So they were not expecting that humans are very intelligent, so they can replace the computer mechanical teacher. So it was a very interesting fact which was written in the book, that in past existed schools, children used to have their human teacher who used to tell them, who used to correct their mistakes, who used to give them homework. So it was all very funny and very interesting for them. Then Margie was wondered and argued with Tommy that a human cannot be smart enough. Now Margie, because Margie was not used to see the human teachers, she was acquainted with the mechanical teachers only. So when she compared both mechanical teacher to the human teacher, so she just argued to her brother that no, it is impossible that a human teacher can be smarter. Okay. Tommy further tells her that the teachers didn't live in the house. Nowadays 2157 when they were studying and living, so they used to study at home itself, because they had their mechanical teacher. They have to go to their particular rooms and they have to study, but they do not need to go outside to the school buildings. But they read in the book that in previous schools, children used to go out of their houses to study, and they used to go together. They had a special building and all the students went there. The students of the same age learned the same things. So it was very funny that in an aggregate manner they had to move from their houses to a special building which was known as a school in the past era. So it was quite interesting for them, and they thought that how interesting it would be when the people of the same age, when the children of the same age, they used to go together, having fun, laughing together. They were sharing their secrets, or maybe they're talking together. How nice it would be. Now it is Margie's school time. She goes into the school room, which is right next to her bedroom. Her mother reminded her when they both were arguing regarding the past existed school. Her mother came and she reminded that you have to attend your school, and she immediately went to the school, which was just right next to her bedroom. And there is a mechanical teacher waiting for her. She puts her homework in the slot with a sigh. So the computer teacher has or maybe the computer device has different slots in which they had to keep their homework. and they have to get their homework like this. So the different slots and different segments it had, where they have to feed, where they had to feed accordingly. So she went to this school and she kept her homework to the homework slot, and she was very heavy hearted that time. She was not willing to attend this school, such kind of a school which they had. She is still thinking about the old schools they had when the grandfather's grandfather was a little boy, because it is so far away now. So she thought that how nice it would be when my grandfather's grandfather was a small child and used to go to such kind of schools where the human teacher used to deal with them. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together at the end of the day. Those schools were far better than the schools of today because they offered great fun to the students. Okay, so now she is missing the school, collective school in which all students went together. They studied, they shared their talks, their matters, and their happiness and their sadness, everything they used to share. So she was missing such kind of schools, and she thought that those schools were far better than our schools. So this is all about the lesson which you have, the fun they had. And after this, I would like to suggest you a few formats of formal letter, informal letter, and diary writing. How to write them, it is very important for you. So along with the question answers you already have in your text, and once I advise you to summarize the story at home, please just read the story very carefully and try to find out the answers. And if you face any kind of difficulty, you can comment down me in comment box. And my suggestion is for formal letter, informal letter, and diary writings format, which I am giving you on our 10th class and 9th class group, and you have to follow it. You just please keep on practicing for these. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.